Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to my channel. Whether you're a new viewer or a regular viewer, it's wonderful to have you here. For today's video, we're gonna make spicy egg masala fried rice. I like to call this recipe biryani's cousin from China. You'll know why in a while. Now, this is one recipe which has become my go-to recipes because of how simple it is and at the same time, the richness in its taste. So with that, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to take 400 grams of onions finely chopped and 400 grams of garlic freshly pounded. I've got my onions chopped already. Let's get the garlic pounded. This recipe is one of the unique ones in that it has quite a heavy dose of garlic. This recipe will serve 3 or 4 people and I have 8 hard-boiled eggs ready to go. Next up, I've taken 6 buds of cloves. Here I'm taking half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Let's add it in. We'll add the onions when our garlic is well cooked. Let's add some salt here. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is optional given the amount of garlic we've taken for this recipe. Here we're going to fry the eggs with a little bit of chili powder and some salt to taste. Wait for the eggs to develop a bit of a crust. Once they are done, we can add them to the gravy. This is where it starts to look like we're preparing Chinese fried rice. Here's why I said biryani's cousin from China. We will take a little bit of this gravy and mix it with the correct amount of rice to control the amount of heat. This way we can customize the dish and also to keep it dry. The aroma is very similar to that of the biryani. This is our lovely spicy egg masala fried rice, all ready for us to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and let me know about it in the comments. Also, give it a like and share it with your friends if you find my recipes useful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you soon with my next video post. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.